Next, my dear friends, another opening, habitual sin and vicious patterns. No, these most commonly for younger people, sins of the flesh, sins on purity. And this does not excuse anyone, married, young person, old person, single, celibates, priests, young religious, seminarians, brothers and sisters, all of us are susceptible to this because we live in the flesh. That's why we should always bring this to confession in spiritual direction so that, as John chapter 8:34 tells us, we won't be a slave to sin. Sin engenders vice by repetition of the same acts. So what do we need to do? Replace vice with virtue. St. Ignatius was known to have taught agere contra. So if we know that in our pattern, we have a recurring pattern of a particular sin, we need to ask from the Lord the grace to contradict this pattern.